What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is the day of the hurricane. The hurricane went by the house last night. We lost power for a little while, no big deal. But the shop is no worse for wear. Everything is okay, nothing's bothered. Actually turned out pretty well. Really kind of surprised. I sealed up the roof a little bit better and yep, no problem. So that's really cool. Bikes are all good. Shop's good. We'll be back in business here after I get things resituated and back rolling. Really appreciate you clicking on the clip and watching all the way through. Really means a lot to me, and getting these views up and the watch time really helps the channel. So we've got builds coming, we've got builds going, so make sure you're tuned in. Throw a comment in there. You want to see something special in one of these builds, I can certainly try and accommodate that. We've got motor builds going, we've got new trike builds going, we've got old trike builds going, we got all kinds of stuff going on here. And I know because of the view numbers on these videos, not a lot of people are seeing it. So if you see these videos and there's repeats, sorry, but I've got to make these videos for the people that haven't seen the channel yet, because they're the ones that are coming in and they're new, and that's over 90% of my views. So y'all new people, really appreciate it. Make sure you tune in, hit that subscribe button, get the like button there so this video can get out to more people, and we'll have you guys going with some cool builds and neat stuff going on in the shop. So till then, see you in the next video. Have a great day. Hurricane prep. Stuff the bike in the Connex because the other Connex is full.